Hey guys, so there's today we will be doing another exercise of calculated column where we will be using DAX to add the calculated column to the Power BI data model. So you can download this file from here by clicking here. I have already downloaded the file, this one. So let's go to the situation, what's the statement, and then we can work on the solution. So it's showing that add a calculated column called tour length to calculate the length of each tour in years. Okay, you can do this by subtracting the start year from end year and adding 1 to the result. Okay, so I will add one column into this tour. I will go here, click new column, and I will name it as tour length. How we are going to do this? So let's do with the variable. So I will do it as year. What we will do, start year, subtract start year minus end year, start year minus end year. Okay, and I will do return and then year plus 1. I will click enter. So I should get the result. So I will create one table visual to check if we are getting the result or not. So if I go here and if I take artist and then tour name and then start year and end year, where I think my Power BI just stopped. And then we will take the start year and then end year, and then we will take tour length. So we will check if we are getting everything accurate or not. We will drag this in sort by descending order. So we can see that 6 here is for Elton John farewell 2018 to 2023, 2018-2023. Then 654 fourth is share living proof and 2002 to 2005. So yes, we are getting the accurate value for this part. Then it's saying that add a chart visual which shows the sum of tour length for each artist. Okay, so what we will do, we will add one chart with the artist name and the tour length. Okay, the Rolling Stones, so Rolling Stone is above, and then U2 and then Bruce, and this one. Okay, now it's saying that add 3 more calculated columns according to the table shown below. Okay, so we need to add 3 more columns. I will go in the data view, I will add new column, I will name it as shows per year. So what I will do, I will divide shows by tour length. Okay, so if I do shows divide by tour length, then I will get these values. And okay, I will do it as 2 as a decimal. 65.67, 41.0057. So I think we are getting close, the values are a bit same. Now next column is average show revenue. So I will add one column, average show revenue. So it's saying that divide actual gross by shows. So here we have actual gross by shows. So we are having values like 685,279, 685,279, 10,2222 and 1719. Okay, and then average attendance. Divide attendance by show. Attendance by show. So now we are having all these. Now it's showing that add a calculated column called average ticket price. I will add one more column which is called as average ticket price, which is actual gross by attendance. So actual gross divided by attendance, and I will make the same as 2 decimal. Now we are having here infinity. See the infinity. Then in the site it's saying that it's best to use divide function to avoid seeing an infinite symbol where the attendance is blank. Okay, so it's showing that don't use this, use like this divide function, this alternate result, this. So now if you can see, the infinity from here is gone. So yep, here we are. So average ticket price 36.43. Yep, so we are having an accurate value. That's all. Yep.